Cheers.
Cheers, my man.
I'm gonna go ahead and take this home with me.
All right, I'm gonna chase you down.
No, you can't.
I can't. Chad Ward.
King Griffey Jr.
Our take on Philly cheesesteaks.
Let's go.
Get started. Got some New York strips here, bud. What you think?
Nice.
Look good, good marbling, nice and thick. Just season those up with some anything rub. New York strip's good. You can also use a ribeye if you'd like. So we do have our Traeger Timberline XL up at 225 with the super smoke. I'm gonna grab our meter probe. Get this in here so it'll let us know. I think it's gonna be about 30 minutes, Ken, 225 super smoke. Looking for about 120 degrees. Ready to put on?
Yep.
All right. And like I said, 30 minutes. We'll check on them babies, or if the meter tells us, we'll pull them on out. All right, now that we've got our steaks smoking, we're gonna go ahead and prep some veggies. Which one do you want to tackle, Ken?
Oh, that's you.
All right. And what we're gonna look for here is just some julienne strips. Oh, look at you over there. You been sneaking out the knife skills class on me?
No. You know,
Good natural talent.
No, I'm usually not allowed to have sharp objects at the house.
Oh, no one's gotten cut yet, so I feel like
No, we're good.
we're winning.
Yeah.
Are you an onion crier?
No.
I'm not either. I'm not either. I know some that are, but I tend to hold up pretty well to the pressure of an onion.
What are you talking about that?
All right, speaking of pressure. More pressure. Game on the line, bottom of the ninth, or making sure you got a good meal for the wife and kids?
I would rather face a guy in the 9th inning than make a bad meal.
All right. I tend to agree with you, too. I think that's one of the things that brings us together around food is just the pleasure of cooking for your friends and family. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but my friends and family don't like to cook when I'm on the grill. Plus, I will tell you, I do hog my grill.
Yeah, so some of y'all ain't coming over to Ken's and cooking.
They can come over and eat.
No, all right.
Now, if they want to really help, they can help clean up.
Now that's where it seems like everybody disappears.
Yeah, you can't find them.
No, sir. All right, I think we got a good start here.
Yeah.
We'll get the rest of these finished up, and then we're going to go to the Flat Rock and make it happen.
Let's do it.
All right, meter probe just told us these New York strips are done. Let me grab them. So, ooh, those are pretty.
Oh, that's nice.
Tell you what, man, I'm enjoying that 100% Maplewood smoke off those Louisville pellets. Those are nice. All right, let's get this meter out. And I'm going to try to slice these as thin as I can. And we don't want it done yet. We just want a little bit of smoke on it. We're going to finish it on the flat rock. About 120 degrees. That's going to be perfect. Just enough time to finish this up. Cook our veggies. Then we're going to assemble it all together and have us a sandwich. Working on something there for me?
Yeah.
Oh, you go a little blue. All right, what you think about that?
Oh, that's nice. That's gonna be really good.
Yeah, I think the key here too is just, you know, the strip doesn't have a ton of fat, so we just want to make sure we don't overcook it. You know what I mean? On that flat rock, we want to give it some crisp, but we don't want to do anything too crazy.
You know, you're supposed to sample it while you're cooking it.
Okay. Okay. Tell you what, just that everything rub, that actually just a nice balance.
Yeah.
Good flavored steak. I think we should take this thing over and do a little griddling. What you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
Flat Rock Town. All right, so we're gonna have 2 zones. 3 zones, actually. We're gonna get our meat on one, veg on the other. Hold on real quick. Let me do a little season on them veggies, speaking of this.
Yes, we do.
Speaking of this rub. Get it on there good. All right, we've got our ingredients, we got our veg, we got our beef. Let's get it on the flat rock.
Yeah, it's a little warm.
Yes, it is. It is not gonna take long. Such a quick cook, you wanna make sure you got everything
Ready
in
to
front
go?
of, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you don't want to be sitting around.
Time will get away from you. All right, so we're just gonna get this cooked up a bit.
I'll go ahead and take these.
Oh, you gonna go ahead and get them buns toasted for me, my
Yeah,
man?
I got you.
All right. Little char here, little char there. You know, another thing is this lets a barbecue guy, also be a hibachi guy every now and then, man.
Well, sometimes you got to.
They about us put a little whiz in here with this beef.
Yeah, let's do it.
Get on it. We're going double cheese, because that's just kind of steak this is going to be. Oh, yeah, we ain't going easy on it either. Come on.
Nah.
Woo. Oh, I'm digging this. I like how that smell changed already, too. Did you notice that? I think we'll make a happy home out of these two. What you think?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Yes, sir. Let that baby chill out for a minute, then I'm gonna go ahead and divvy these up. Oh, we about missed something now. Hold on.
No, you put those on the bottom.
Oh, we going bottom?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
All right. Do you just want me to scoop and score?
Yeah.
Let's go. One more. Yes, sir. Oh, and here's where I always like them last sandwiches, right? Because we gotta fill them up.
Yeah.
Woo! And one last stubborn piece. Come on home. There we go.
Yeah.
Woo! Thanks.
Yeah.
We did all right.
No, we did very well.
Very well. All right, we're gonna let these chill out for a second, cool down, then we're gonna enjoy them. What you think?
Can't wait.
Woo-hoo! So we've let everything cool down. Now's the time to taste.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you the honors, my man.
All right.
We'll put that there.
Thank you. See, I like.
Oh yeah. Ooh, now where you going? You an end or a middle guy?
I'm an end.
Oh, I think I'll do the same.
Cheers.
Cheers, my man. Woo!
Oh yeah.
The onion, the pepper, that New York strip is so tender. Not overcooked, still a perfect medium rare. I bet the people are wondering where they can make this. You go to Traeger app or Traeger.com. We'll have this recipe, thousands more. Stay tuned for many more delicious bites. What you think, Ken?
I'm gonna go ahead and take this home with me.
All right, I'm gonna chase you down.
No, you can't.
I can't.